guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize your phone with the new iOS 14 update. I am so excited about this update. Like, this is a huge update for Apple. It just looks so different than what the home screen used to look like on the regular versions of iOS, I guess. But I am just so hyped. At first I was like a little overwhelmed because I was like, whoa, this is a very big change, like it looks so different. But once I started watching more videos about it, and then I created my own aesthetic, then I just started to really love this update. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do everything, and then how I got everything set up with the pictures on the app covers and then the widgets. So I'm just going to be telling you guys all of that stuff, and I'm going to try to leave the timestamps down below. And if you guys are new here to my channel, hi, my name is Leilani. I upload a new video every Saturday and occasionally some Wednesdays. So I would really appreciate if you would click that subscribe button down below, and let's just jump right into this video. Alright, so this is what the first page looks like. It is so cute. My theme is basically all white with some pinks in it, and I'm just so obsessed with it. And then here is the second page. And yeah, so I just love my theme. It's like vintage, classy, travel, and it's just so me. Like, I'm obsessed. So first, I'm sure you guys, if you guys haven't already updated your phone, if you want to get the widgets, you have to get the app Widgetsmith. And by the way, this is what the app library looks like. So you can literally put all of the apps that you don't want on your home screens right over there. So they're a little bit hidden, but it's okay because it's not going to make your home screens a little cluttered or anything. So you're going to go into this app that has the blue square in the middle, and that is called Widgetsmith. So here are all the widgets I have. The first one I didn't end up using because I just didn't like how it looked on my screen, so I just sticked with these three widgets. So I have a little picture of a hippie van in black and white, and I have a pink map of the world in this little picture that says dreaming in neon lights. And then I have a medium widget that just has the calendar and then the date right on the left. So if you guys don't already know how to do the widgets, you just click add small widget, and that's what automatically pops up, and you just click on it, and then you click the actual widget, and it gives you all of these options. So you can do the clock, you can do the date. They also have customs, that's where you can do the pictures, and they have a bunch of other things too. They have the battery icon, calendar, reminders. If you have the Widgetsmith Premium, you can do the weather app, which is pretty cool. You could do health and activity, tides, and astronomy. So let's just click on the month and date. So it is currently September 24th. If you go to font, they have all the different fonts. I feel like everyone uses the New York one, which is personally the one that I also use. I just like how classy it looks. The tint color is basically just the font color, so it has all those nice little colors. They have the background colors, so you could just pick from there. But then you can also customize it too to whatever color you want. And then they also have a border color too. So that is what the widgets look like. I'm just gonna delete that off of my screen. And then the medium widget, so just like the small widgets, it has time, date, custom, calendar, all that fun stuff. And then it's basically the same exact thing, but just with a larger widget. And that is basically how everyone does the little Widgetsmith stuff. I also use the app color widgets, which is what I have on my main screen. So that top one is the one that I personally have. You can change the colors, the fonts. You can also choose one of these. They have so many different options. but everything is just so cute and I love it. For the app covers, I just made a Pinterest board with all the pictures that I wanted to use for the app covers. On the top right, I have Pinterest. I'm gonna click on it, and then this is what my Pinterest page looks like. If you want to follow me, it's just at Leilani Nicole A. So I just have a few Pinterest boards that are like specifically for like the app covers. One is like a pink board, a red and mauve board, a purple board. I made a board for my best friend Nicoletta, so that's why hers is privated over there. So the one that I use for my app covers is the iOS 14 white and vintage aesthetic. So as you can see here, I have like a bunch of pictures. Some of them I didn't even use. So if you guys want to get like a similar layout to me, or you just like certain pictures, definitely feel free to go on my Pinterest and pick out the pictures. I literally made all these boards so then you guys can find it and like look at it and see if you want to use it for your own. So as you can see, this one is the purple aesthetic, and purple is my favorite color. So I will definitely be switching up my layout in the future. I have this pink aesthetic, which I think is so sick. It is just so pretty. And then this one I had made for my mom. Oh yeah, and then I did the back tap thing, which a lot of people have been doing. I don't know why it doesn't really work for me all the time, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. So you are going to go into the settings app, and you're gonna type in accessibility. So you're gonna scroll to where it says touch, you're gonna press that, you're gonna scroll down, and the very last one says back tap. So you're gonna click on it, and then you can choose what command you want it to do. So for example, this is all the little things you can do. So I personally have it for a screenshot if I double tap, and then the triple tap is just to go back to my lock screen to like lock my phone. So let's see if it'll work. So there we go. So that is what the screenshot looks like, and I don't want to like do the triple tap because then it's going to stop the screen recording. So I guess I'm just gonna go throughout my whole entire layout so then you can fully see like what's on my iPhone. So on the very top we have the color widgets, which I showed you from that one app, and it just says the time, the day, and the date. And then starting on the first row of the apps, I have the clock, camera, photos, messages, calendar, Instagram, Snapchat, Amazon, Rook, which is a coffee place that is very popular in New Jersey, specifically like the Jersey Shore area. And then Canvas, that's the website that we use for school. And then YouTube and YouTube Studio. So I just have my most used apps on the very first page because obviously since I use them the most, I'd rather just have them right there in front of me. All right, and then as you can see, there are 4 apps on like the bottom part of my screen, but it's like kind of annoying because you can't really see what apps they are because it doesn't tell you. But I like fully memorized it by now because I had to. So the one on the left, which is like the little clouds icon, that is the mail app. And then the little pink Louis Vuitton bag, that is the phone app, like to make phone calls. The one next to it that just says I love you in cursive, that's the Safari app. And then the one all the way to the right, which is the pink sparkly one, that is the music app. So when you scroll to the next page, I just have this little widget and it says dreaming, which is so cute. And then the 4 apps on the top right corner are Gmail, Facebook, Notes, and Pinterest. And then on the bottom left corner, it's GroupMe, which I use like to communicate for school, like for my sorority or just like for random classes. And then I have the TD Bank app, the weather app, and then the Discover app. And then like I mentioned before, for the medium widget, I just have the little calendar here, and then the black and white picture of the hippie van. And yeah, so then on the app library, it just sorts them in folders itself. Like I don't think you can really switch it up, like your phone just automatically puts it into folders. All the apps are like placed in folders that just make sense. So that's why I'm not like gonna switch it around. Like, I don't even know if you can do that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you in any way. I just really wanted to show you guys what my aesthetic looked like and tell you about my Pinterest board. So that is it with this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!